Hey folks, welcome back to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. Today I've got a special guest with me, Tomas from Box Components. Now we have a lot of box components in our catalog. We've got some BMX products and also a lot of mountain bike stuff as well, as they've been expanding over the last several years. But today we're going to talk more about the BMX side. We've got a brand new tire. So Tomas, introduce us to this new one. What's it called, first of all?
So this is the new Box One tire. This is the new launching that we have in Box. As you can see here, we wanted to bring back some of the micro knobby technology that you guys saw in some of the old school BMX tires, that was also applied for a different cycling disciplines. So intense bicycles with our president, which is Toby Henderson, they developed this tire back in the days, and we wanted to bring that back to the new riders, okay?
Yeah, so those intense micro knobby tires are super popular for a good reason. A lot of the BMX tracks were dirt at that point, and we're seeing a bit more of a resurgence in a lot of BMX tracks now, right?
Exactly.
So going from pavement tracks where you didn't need much into a dirt track where a little bit of micro knobby actually helps a lot.
Exactly. So the cool thing with these tires, you can see the micro knobby technology on the sidewalls that provide you the perfect grip that you need on the curbs. And the center strip that we have here provides you the perfect acceleration from the start gate to the sprint sections on the track.
I also see some little cuts and kind of chevroning in there. That's to help with your acceleration as well, right?
Exactly. So we want to do this totally flat. So we wanted to create those little spaces between to provide that gripness that the rider needs. Also, another cool thing is that we want to actually replicate a little bit what is the X-Lab logo from our Box Components logo on the sidewalls of the pattern of the micro knobby.
You look really close to the actual knobby. Each one looks like the Box logo. And I also see they're both ramped and they're sort of tied together in certain places, right?
Exactly. So that provides a lot of grip that you need on the curbs. We wanted to connect each knobby to actually provide more surface to the rider on those curbs.
So it's going to keep those knobs from flexing in an unpredictable way, give you a nice stable platform to push into through the corner.
Correct. Exactly.
Cool.
Exactly. Yeah.
Cool. So this one I see, it says 120 TPI. This is a high-end Box One tire,
exactly.
Right?
So this is our high-end tire, 120 TPI with different sizes. Obviously thinking in that BMX Pro Racer, but we also have the Box 2 model, which is 60 TPI. And you can use that one for cruiser bicycles, for any standard BMX bicycle, any city bike that you can also use for that. We have that in wire version. Yeah.
Cool, yeah. So that Box 2 is going to come in 26 and 29 inch sizes.
Exactly.
So fit a ton of those kind of larger BMX or city cruiser bikes around.
Exactly.
I think this is a pretty applicable tread to that sort of use too.
Exactly.
Fast rolling, but still a little bit of control on the side. And this tire just looks cool.
Exactly. It looks awesome, and the people really like it. We have a lot of testing riders for this, and they really love it. We have a very good pre-sales of this, so we're looking forward to have everyone riding Box tires.
Awesome. So we'll be starting out with a few sizes in our catalog, and we've also got tan wall versions. So a lot of different options to fit different riders and bikes out there.
Exactly.
Cool. If you think you might like to try these tires on your bike, make sure you ask at your local bike shop and tell them BTI sent you.